Vivek, next one is switch case statement. Vivek, as we have already discussed, it is used when we have number of options or choices and we may need to perform a different task for each choice. So syntax of switch case statement: switch variable or an expression, and then body of switch case constant, and then declare the first Java statement, next case constant, declare next Java statement, and at the end default statement, and Java default statement will be declared. You can clearly understand from the flowchart also. Vivek, look the flowchart, test the expression and then case 1. If expression related to case 1, then code of case 1 block executed. Otherwise, if match with case 2, then code of case 2 block is executed. Otherwise, default block code will be executed. Vivek, I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Vivek, note down some important point related to the switch case statement. First, here expression can be of type byte, short, int or string. Second, duplicate case values are not allowed. It can create ambiguity between case. So, Java not allowed the duplicate case. Third point, here default statement is optional. It is not mandatory. And fourth point, and very important point, Vivek, anytime if you want to take your control out of from any case, then you can use the break statement which terminate the sequence of execution. So if you not using the break statement, then execution will continue on to the next cases.
Sir, what is break statement?
Vivek, it is the type of jump statement. Java support 3 jump statement: break, continue and return. These 3 statements transfer control to the other part of program. Vivek, I will discuss you about the jump statement when you will be completely grasp the concept of loop statement.
Okay, sir.
Vivek, this is the implementation of weekdays with the help of switch case statement. Vivek, in switch case statement, switch expression is evaluated only once. The value of expression is compared with the value of each case, and if there is a match, the associated block of code will be executed, and simultaneously the other blocks will executed continuously. So in this case, here expression day value is 4. Then when we execute the program, then case 4 is matched with the switch expression. Then the code of case 4 will be executed. Okay, let's check. Now compile javac test.java. Compilation is successful. Again execute. We will get the Thursday. because the day 4 is Thursday. Again, what happened if we remove this break statement from here? Now, again, I am going to save and then compile the program. Test.java. Yes, you can observe here day 4, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and no weekdays. When the execution of program started, then switch case expression match with each case. So in this example, here case 4 is match with the switch expression, and control execute the block of case 4 and then continuously execute all the cases. So Vivek, whenever we wants to jump the control from one block to the outside of the switch statement, then we needs to use the break statement as you just seen in previous example. So Vivek, in details I will explain you the jump statement when we have completed the looping statement. So Vivek, I hope it is clear. Now Vivek, now remember the basketball court selection criteria. As you can see here, if the trial score is 4, then the student selected for basketball. If the trial score is 3, then the student will be selected for chess. And if the trial score is 2, then student will be selected for quiz. And if the trial score is 1, then student not selected for any game. So Vivek, let's implement this real life problem. Here I am going to modify according to our need. So here trial score TS, trial score is 4 and switch statement is the TS, trial score. So case 1, when trial score is 1, so I am going to using if the trial score is 1 as a case 1, no selection. No selection. Case 2 for quiz. Case 2 for quiz. Case 2 for quiz. Case 3 for chess. Chess. And case 4 for basketball. Case 4 for basketball. And just I want to remove all the cases. and in default I want to write no games are available. Okay, now I want to save test.java. Okay, so basketball, no games are available. So Vivek, you can observe here test score is 4. So test expression which contain 4 and match with case 1 not matched, again case 2 not matched, case 3 not matched, case 4 test score is matched with case 4. So the case 4 block is executed and then continuously other block will be executed. Vivek, in switch case statement, default statement is optional. Now I am going to remove this. Again I want to save and again compile and execute. So you can see the output is basketball. If you want to change the test score, someone test score is 2. Again save your program and then compile and execute. Quiz chase basketball. So 2 is match with case 2 which is quiz, and after that all other cases will be execute. So if you want to jump from any case, then you can use the break statement. So here in this case break, I want to place break here. So whenever matched with this case, then after executing this case 2 block statement, the control jumps out of the case. Save, compile the program and run. You can see only quiz is output. So Vivek, I hope it is clear. So in next class Vivek, we will discuss the looping statement in Java. Thank you. And I want favor to all of you to help and support our team member. Please like and subscribe to the OpenTech Learning Classroom so that we can improve the quality of content and ensure the availability of content free of cost to all of the students who are unable to pay for such type of services. Thank you, friend.